I believe this building to be abandoned. I'm not entirely sure, or how I'm even going to get up there. Okay, how am I going to get up there? See if I can. No. How did I get up here?
You need to get up there.
Okay, I can get up this side. Doing a little exercising while waiting on the pizza. And I just decided to videotape. Something bug in my shoe. I decided to videotape the air conditioners. First one is a Trane. Very little. XE1000 high efficiency heat pump. Model TWR018C100A2. Manufacturing date March 1997. That is a half a ton, and the serial is M1018GJCF R22 with the air handler in the attic. There used to be one there. That's Steve. The next one is a Trane high efficiency XB1000. This thing's a commercial grade. 2001, and is it a heat pump? This is just a straight cool unit. Model number TTB060D100AO. Manufacturing date 7/2001. That's a 5-ton, by the way. Serial Z282S123F. Weird. This one's odd. No name. York. This is a York. It's a 10 Sears. Got the sticker on it. Model EABA-F060SG. Is it a heat pump? Just a straight cool unit, I imagine. 5-ton. Serial WOA551272. And then there's another one way down here, along with some refrigerator components. They appear to not be working. I don't know what was there, but it looks like 2 air conditioners were there, and I'm crawling through the weeds for the last unit. It is a Tempstar. This is a straight cool unit. I don't know why. Holy crud. Data manufacturer. Engineered in USA, assembled in Mexico. Believe it's got a Copeland scroll though. Serial X07. This is from 2007. X071382940. Product N2A060AHA200 5-ton. Model N2A060AHA2. And this is at an abandoned building which I do not believe works. There's Arby's air conditioners. One more time. Tempstar. What are these refrigerator component brand names? Really quick. See if I can actually see them. Heatcraft. I can't model. Like, it's faded off, but they're both the same. That is either a York or so, I don't know. A big Trane, and that little one there is a heat pump. And I don't think there's any more. Huh. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.